Hey guys, all right, as you know, this is still a recording for 3.5. 3.5 is all trig, okay? Did you memorize all of your formulas yet? So example 3, last example in 3.5, find second derivative of y if I'm giving you y equals cosecant of x, okay? So first derivative should be pretty easy. By now, you should have this all memorized, okay? First derivative, which is derivative of cosecant of x, is by definition is negative cosecant of x times cotangent of x. How did you know that? Because I gave it to you at the very beginning of this section, right? Second derivative, which is what I'm really looking for. I now need to use my product rule, all right? So product rule says what? U prime? Sounds like a good idea. You can also take the negative out in the front if you want to. If you don't want to deal with that, that's totally okay. So you can start with cosecant of x, which is your u. I'm going to write u prime. I'm not doing anything with it yet. Times v, which is cotangent of x, okay? Plus v prime, which is cotangent of x prime. And again, I'm just writing all the formulas down. Times u, which is cosecant of x, okay? So as you can see, you can always take out the constant and then do the derivative of the variables. Then from here, I'm just going to slowly, recall my derivatives of cosecant. So the derivative of cosecant, as you can see above, is negative cosecant of x times cotangent of x. Then I'm going to bring down this cotangent, okay? Over here, the derivative of cotangent is going to be negative cosecant square of x. And then I'm just going to bring down this guy times cosecant of x. Okay, slowly, okay, work this out. So as you can see, I have the negative in the front still. Cotangent times a cotangent is now a cotangent square. So negative cosecant of x cotangent square of x. This guy over here, oh my, this guy is now a cotangent to cosecant to the third minus cosecant to the third of x. I'm now going to distribute my negative sign, so it's all going to be positive. Cosecant of x times cotangent square of x plus cosecant to the third of x. Now from here, as you can see, there's a couple of things that you need to know. When you can reduce it, okay? So I want to recall there's identity from basic trig that says 1 plus cotangent square of x equals cosecant square of x. Remember this identity? What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get 1 or put it in the simplest form possible, okay? So here I am at this location. I have cotangent here and I have cosecant here and cosecant here. I want to see if I can get this right here in cosecant as well. So drop this down. There isn't much I can do with that, but cotangent square is from the identity, as you can see, is cosecant square of x minus 1 because you're moving the 1 over, and then drop down cosecant to the third of x. Then from here, as you can see, I can FOIL this out. Cosecant to the third of x minus cosecant of x plus cosecant to the third of x. Now, can you see that these two can be combined? Okay, so now that is going to give me 2 cosecant to the third of x minus cosecant of x. So this is the final answer. What I did was I went from 3 terms, okay? I went from 3 terms here to just now 2 terms, okay? So it just looks slightly better. That's all that is. So when you can, try to simplify it as much as possible. All right, and this is the end of our trig section.